Hello and welcome to Mrs. Brown's online classroom. Today we're going to look at dividing fractions by converting to multiplication problems. First, let's talk about why we're doing this. Well, if I take a simple problem like 6 divided by 2, if I take 6 things and I divide it into 2 equal groups, each group is going to have 3. If I instead take 6 and I multiply it by a half, I'm taking half of 6, which would also be 3. 2 and a half are what we call reciprocals, and dividing by one number or multiplying by its reciprocal is going to give us the same answer, which is why we can convert our division problems into multiplication problems. Now the rule is the only one that we're going to move when we do this is the divisor. We never want to touch the dividend. Remember, the dividend is the first one and the divisor is the one we're dividing by. So in order to do this, I'm going to take my first number, which is the dividend, and I'm going to leave it alone. So I'm going to keep it. And then I'm going to change division to multiplication. And then I'm going to flip this so that I'm finding the reciprocal, which would be 7/5. And then all I'm going to do is follow the rules for multiplication. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 5 is 20. And there you have it. That's it. If I have a mixed number, I need to convert that to a fraction greater than 1 first. And so that problem is going to be 11/9, because remember I'm going to do 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11, divided by 4/5. I'm going to keep the first number. I'm going to change the sign to multiplication, and then I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, which would be 5/4. And again, I'm only flipping the divisor. If you don't, you'll end up getting if you flip the dividend instead, you'll get the opposite of your answer. In other words, you'll get the reciprocal of your answer. So we don't want that. 11 times 5 is 55. 9 times 4 is 36. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If I take 8, remember 8 can be made a fraction by putting it over 1. And then I'm going to keep the first number, change the sign, and flip the second one. Again, follow the rules of multiplication, multiply straight across, and there you have it. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.